This is a guitar lesson for Holy by Justin Bieber and Chance the Rapper. Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. And oh God, like that. So how's everyone doing? My name is Dave Donoghue. I put up new lessons most weeks on, especially on brand new music. If you want to keep up to date, just hit subscribe below and pop a like on the video. Right, let's get into it. This is what we've got. Okay, so to begin, what we've got is basically 4 chords in a loop for most of this song. We have a C, we have a G with the B bass, which you'll see the diagram written above it. You can also just play a regular G chord. We have A minor, and then any F you wish. 4-fingered F, full bar chord F, whichever one. Capo's on the 6th fret, of course, as you can see. Now, you see there in the intro, we do those chords once. And I've highlighted where the strum falls on the beat. So it's going 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, like that. 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, the thing about it is, that is the rhythm for the verse, and it goes, I hear a lot about sinners, like that, then don't think that I'll be a saint. Alright, so now, we got that, and you can see it goes around once for the intro, and that line is done 3 times for the verse. Now, if we look down, you see from verse, there's a red arrow pointing to the top line, but also pointing to that second line, which I'll get here now. So, if we take a look, so I'm talking about this bar here. Now, that's a 4-beat rest, and at the end of it, we have 2 Fs, and an F with the G bass, which you will see with here. That's that chord. Okay. And by the way, if you want to grab this PDF of the chords that I've done out with the colours and everything, you can pop your email in above and you get access to this and like so many more songs that I've released every week. So we get F, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That F with the G bass is basically your 4-fingered F with just your ring finger moved to the top string. Okay, now what happens here is I'm going to play all the verse. So I go 3, 4. I hear a lot about sin. 3 and again. Don't think that I'll be a saint. 3rd time now. But I might go down to the river. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that is all the verse. Now let's just take a zoom down here. And you'll notice here now we've done the intro. We've done verse 1. But that also covers us for verse 2 and verse 3. So we've done all the chords for those sections. The chords for the bridge are the same as the verse. So that just leaves one more thing. Our chorus. Now, to do our chorus, all we need to do is the following. So what I'll do is I'll zoom it in a small bit. Hopefully it will behave itself. Yes, there we go. Now, it's the same 4 chords again. Okay. And that's the section that goes, that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Then, oh God. Now the rhythm will change for that. So the chorus, for the first 2 rounds there, as you can see, we just do the straight rhythm like we had above. For the next 2 rounds, we have an upbeat rhythm. So I'm going to zoom in on this and just bring it full screen. There we go. Now, the first thing I want to draw your attention to is the count. Okay, so you'll be counting 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And if you want to count that along with me, hold on, let's flip this sec. If you want to count that along with me, feel free to do so. That way you'll get the flow of it. So let's just do it like, let's say twice. So we'll go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, what you're going to do on the 1 and, you're going to strum C. You're going to go 1 and 2, and that's all you need. 1 and 2. Now, here's where you need to watch a bit. Do you see the way underneath here, this line here that I've drawn in black? That means that when you strum this and, you're going to let it ring for the length of the 3. So, how that would sound is as follows. And I'll fit that with the G with the B bass. So I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So you strum the 4 then. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So I practiced that a bit. So let's just play it like 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That will get you used to the flow of it. Now all you then is, you will play the same rhythm going A minor to F. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And you can take each one out if you wish. So all I'll do here is I will have a go at it here. So we'll go like this. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, and again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I will zoom back out. So that should begin to give you like a clearer picture of how we'll do that rhythm. So 2 times on the chorus, it's straight, like above. And then the next 2 times when it goes, oh God, that's where the rhythm picks up. So I'll play it all one last time. So it goes 3, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. One more time. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold. Then, and oh God. Like that. And so that gives us our chorus done, chorus and chorus. And then the best thing you can do then is, after that, is just to practice the intro into the verse, and then chain on the verse 1 to the chorus, and finally practice intro, verse, chorus, and start doing the building blocks like that. So that is the whole song. Really, the bits to watch, you have possibly 2 new chords. You have your, don't worry, the free download doesn't contain all these red marks. You have your new chord there, possibly of G with the B bass. You have F with the G, and then the capo on the 6th fret. Again, it will work without the capo there. Just to sound like the song, that'll be the job. Make sure you keep the count on the 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then the chorus rhythm is a little more detailed, and I know it's smaller there on screen, but you'll be able to zoom in with the download. And finally, the last step will be to chain it all together. So that's basically it. Let me see. So I'm using a Switcher Studio software. It is so cool for making video lessons. If anybody's any questions, feel free to ask at any time. Just post a comment below. And remember to get the free access above. You can see that on that database on my song library, there's so much proofed songs, about 40 to 50 proofed songs so far. And let me know how you got on with the song, and let me know what you thought of this software. If you liked the diagrams on screen, if there was enough colours, if there's too much colours, who knows? But anyways, enjoy your week whenever you're watching this, and I'll chat with you very soon. Thank you.